Over the last few months, I've been working with my team to come up with a way to explain to product owners why so many projects fail. We came up with a three-legged stool approach to help you visualize your business investment on top and all of the various strategies and areas that you need to get your team and your focus and your discipline right in order to return the required ROI that your business expects from your project. The first is a poorly formulated strategy. The second, inadequate design. And the third, unchecked technical complexity. We believe that you can take these three areas and add them up because more or less they are of equal importance. But here's where it gets interesting. The unmanageable release size becomes a multiplier. And together, they all equal your software modernization risk. We go into much deeper detail in our new white paper, the 4 reasons software modernizations fail and 12 strategies for success. Please consider downloading it. Inside of the white paper, we break down each of the 3 stool legs into 4 different areas. We give you things to consider and success strategies to help you succeed in each area. So please consider downloading the white paper, and if you'd like to talk, I would love to step you through it.